Hello again. So today's video is about typewriter ribbons. I've purchased some new ones for my typewriters. I purchased two black and a mono green, as well as a combo green and black ribbon for my Olympia. Currently I have a We Are Memories Keeper ribbon in my Royalite. However, this machine is a monocolor typewriter, so I figured I would purchase some mono ribbons for it, and I wanted to put a green one in, but I wanted to also have a machine that was typing with a black ribbon, since my Olympia is currently installed with a blue-green ribbon. So I decided to put in a black ribbon, and let me just tell you, it was a lot more difficult than I remembered. When I first purchased this typewriter and I got the We Are Memory Keepers ribbon, I didn't remember it being this difficult to install, so I had some trouble and I had to look up some videos and remind myself how it was done. And I made a mess. I got ink everywhere, but once I figured it out, it started typing fine, and it's nice and inky and just looks great. I do intend to eventually take this machine apart and figure out exactly why the caps does not work. And I would like to just give this machine a really good cleaning. If you can't tell, the teal ribbon really rubbed on the machine right here, so you can see the teal coloring, and I wiped it down with some wet tissues, but it's just not coming off. So I need to figure out exactly how to remove the ribbon ink from the machine itself. It's just, with it, the ribbon on my Olympia is also rubbing against it too, so it's just about, I guess, keeping it clean. But I'm excited to have new ribbons. I just need to figure out exactly how to store them so that they stay inky and ready for when I need them. I ordered these ribbons off of Etsy, so I'll share that shop with you down in the description box in case you are looking for some typewriter ribbon. They were very nice and helpful, and they shipped them really quickly, so they're universal typewriter ribbons, so they should fit in a lot of different machines. I do have the original metal spools that came with the Royalite, but I've just been using the plastic ones that come with the ribbons I've purchased so far, and it's been working out great. But that's all I really wanted to share with you today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.